The LG TV Aircode 201 indicates that the date hasn't been set or the cache data needs to be cleared. This issue typically arises due to common causes such as the time and date not being set, the cache data not being cleared, or connection issues. To resolve this problem, several solutions can be applied. Firstly, setting the time and date can be done by pressing the home button on the remote, navigating to the setup menu, selecting time and date, choosing the auto option, and selecting the correct time zone. Additionally, clearing the cache data can be achieved by opening the web browser app, clicking on Menu and then Settings, selecting Support and Device Care, managing storage, selecting the app to be fixed, viewing details, and clearing the data and cache, followed by restoring the TV. It is also essential to check the internet connection, ensuring the TV is well connected to the internet, and verifying that the internet cables are securely connected. It's worth noting that the settings may vary depending on the make and model of the TV. By following these steps, the Aircode 201 issue can be resolved, and the TV can function properly again.